Hello everyone, my name is Hassan Tabira and this is my exit ticket tutorial for Python. So let's begin. For this week we're supposed to talk about what we might like for our careers. So personally the job descriptions that are interesting to me are cybersecurity and network administrator. I personally wouldn't like doing software development because I feel like it takes lots of time, plus it's not like something that I'm really interested in. But for at least cybersecurity, this is what companies or employers are looking for. As you guys may see, here's part of what they want. But however, the requirements are a little too much in my opinion. They're looking for 8 years of minimum system or security engineering. So I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I think that's a little too much, especially for someone just coming out of college. For network administrator, I found this one. They're looking for a bachelor of science degree, of course. They're looking for 5 to 7 years network administration experience. So I'm not sure how I feel about this employers asking for that many years. But I mean, it's something I like. I'm pretty sure some places will be flexible with that. What I think about my career, I think it's a nice career. I think it's something looking towards the future and something that I like a lot. I don't know, I think I didn't use any sites. I just think it was the right choice for me, and yeah, it's something that seems pretty cool and that I like. Thank you.